Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy USDT in a crypto wallet. First, you'll need to choose a reliable crypto wallet that supports USDT. After selecting your wallet, proceed with the setup and security verification process. It's also important to understand the different networks USDT operates on, like Ethereum or Tron, as this impacts transfers. This initial setup ensures your funds are secure and accessible. Once your wallet is ready, the next step is to fund your purchase. You can typically use various payment methods, including bank transfers, debit cards, or credit cards. Link your preferred payment method to your crypto exchange account. Always be aware of any transaction fees involved, which can vary significantly between platforms. This step is crucial for converting your fiat currency into crypto. Now it's time to make your purchase. Head to the Buy or Trade section within your chosen crypto exchange. Here, you will specify the exact amount of USDT you want to buy. Before finalizing, carefully review all the transaction details, including the price and any associated fees. Confirming your order will complete the purchase, adding USDT to your exchange balance. Finally, transfer your newly acquired USDT from the exchange to your personal crypto wallet for better security. It is absolutely critical to double-check the wallet address before initiating any transfer to prevent irreversible loss of funds. Take your time with this step. Also, if you're looking to enhance your home, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.